We know that you are always looking for ways to reduce consumption in the drying phase or minimize the working hours of your laundry. Also willing to process more linen with your existing tunnel batch washer. That's why we present PRT 60, a solution that comes to make a difference in your laundry in many ways. This turbo press can process up to 2,400 kilograms of linen per hour, thanks to its turbo cycle time of just 60 seconds, combined with 30-second press time. This allows your tunnel batch washer to operate faster, allowing you to process more linen or the same amount in less time, reducing your laundry shifts. If instead of increasing production, you choose to increase pressing time to extract more water and reduce drying time, you can save up to 2.5 kilowatt hours per batch of linen. Can you imagine how this translates into money? PRT 60 features flexible programs designed to gently handle delicate items such as hospital garments. It has an intuitive interface that helps the operator monitor the status of each pressing cycle. Plus, it can easily be adapted to the space available in your laundry. And it's designed and tested and simulated to last over 30 years.